Hey everybody, Chuck here, and I'm with Kevin, and we're going to show you a little scene here and have Kevin just tell you a little bit about where we are and what his experience has been at this particular place. Kevin, I'm going to go ahead and switch the camera out so everybody can see this.
All right.
And then let them know where we're at. We're over here at the Pentagon, right?
Yes, we're over at the Pentagon South Lot, just inside of Virginia. And I've never seen it like this, ever.
So normally when you come, there's what, not half this, hardly any, what's it normally like?
I'll put it this way. Normally, if I come here at noon, this parking lot may be anywhere from a quarter to halfway filled, possibly. But I've never experienced this. In the 17 years I've come here, I've never seen one this full, ever.
You hear that? Kevin's been coming for 17 years, and they're saying this may just be the final, the very last Rolling Thunder. So it looks like the turnout is extraordinary, to say the least. And they just keep coming in, as you can see right there. And Kevin, this is just one of the areas, right? How many other areas are there?
Well, we have another, you have this area you're overlooking now. As you pan to your left, you can see there's more bikes over that way. If you were to go about a mile or so past that and look down into the Pentagon North parking lot, that thing will look like this times 10.
Okay. Nobody knows how many bikes they can hold, I'm sure, but thousands upon thousands.
This will, I guarantee, it'll be well over 500,000 bikes. Maybe topping up close to 1 million by the time it's all said and done.
Yeah.
We have 2 other lots that we haven't even seen yet that are full, and they're just coming in.
They just keep rolling in.
Exactly. They're just not stopping.
I mean, you know, it's really exciting, but at the same time, it's sort of crazy, you know, because this is going to be, like you said, it's going to be sort of like a mess out there, and it's going to take, what, hours to get through it, to get this thing underway and get everybody through it. What do you think?
Yeah, the parade itself normally starts about 12, and by the time they get the other parking lots and areas emptied, usually about 2:30, 3 o'clock is when you'll see people starting to funnel out of this. But if this is any indication of what's going to happen, we're in for a long day, Chuck.
long day.
This may be 6 or 7 o'clock and continuing to roll.
Oh, can you imagine 6 or 7 o'clock?
I mean, just constant motorcycles.
Just take it all in. I know it doesn't seem maybe like a lot. Maybe it is for us. I mean, it's just sort of amazing. The bikes, I don't know if you can see the camera. I'll try to zoom in without shaking the camera a whole heck of a lot. Hey, Brandy, thanks for joining us. Tell Jeff I said hello. All right, look, and hello to you as well. But look back there. Look how far back this goes. I'm trying not to shake here. It's hard. We're up on a hill, and so hopefully this is coming across. I hope YouTube is able to capture this, or not YouTube, Facebook and YouTube, because we'll put this up on YouTube hopefully. But it's just incredible. Absolutely incredible turnout. See all that back there? That's amazing. Oh, and we haven't showed you the other side yet either. We've got another side. So right down here, what have they got down there, Kevin, with the fire hydrant? What was it, a fire?
Yeah, they have like a fire cannon just to help people cool off.
So there you have it. Kevin, thank you so much. Kevin's been a fantastic guide. He's Kevin and Shannon invited us to come up. We met these guys, I don't know, a couple weeks ago out on a cruise, and they're just great people, and they have been just really doing a great job just showing us around. They're the best hosts you could possibly ask for. We're just truly grateful for both of them, and we're just glad to be here and being able to experience this. I hope you guys really appreciate it very much. And we'll keep coming back and show you everything that's going on. As you can see, they just roll in. I'm going to let this play for a little bit. Let these guys roll through, okay? Wonder how back they go. Can you see how far back they go over there, Kevin? I can't see.
I honestly, I don't know.
I don't know where they're coming in.
I don't know if these guys have been parked and they're just circling in, or if these are all newcomers.
It's hard to tell.
I mean, I see a lot of helmets off, so
Yeah, you're right. What's going on with that? Because we have a helmet law here. So
In Virginia you do, but not in D.C.
not
I
in
don't believe
D.C.
so.
Okay.
I don't know if they do in D.C. or not, but I know a lot of people tend to go through D.C. helmetless, at least during this event.
All right. Maybe it was just a large group coming through.
I don't know.
I can't see the tags from up here. There you go. I'm Chuck, and this is Kevin. We'll sign out. See if I switch. If I switch it around, it'll probably shut off. All right. See ya.